What's up, everyone? This is Mozzek, and this is Griffin. I don't know, Griffin or Grapevine. Okay, let's jump into it. This is came from UK. My friend Andy sent it to me for reviewing stuff. He has a lot of tech deals for every day, eBay, Amazon, and so on his own website. I'll link you guys in the description who was interested. This company called Griffin, the present these stuff for this is basically a Bluetooth converter from Griffin. I don't know. These stuffs came for specially for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. They guys don't have a headphone jack. RIP for that. Okay, Motorola people and so on, so many other peoples are using without headphone because that type of phones are trending or whatever. I don't know. Let's see what's in. Let's see first of all what is inside the user manual. There's just so many stuff going on there. The how to turn on, turn off, and pairing settings. So many stuff. You guys take time and look at these things, and that will be helpful for startup without looking at YouTube video. Okay, I think this is going to be a cool stuff for everyone without using the lightning connector. This is 2.0 USB charging cable, and this is a warranty stuff. I don't care about warranty. Anyway, here's our KOD called Griffin or something else. I don't know how to pronounce these things. And you can simply Bluetooth converter. You guys check that out, and I link you guys in the description who was interested about this product and more tech products for your day-to-day life. I'll link you guys in the description. Anyway, I will get the user manual for pairing and other stuffs. You guys wanna check that out. I mentioned before. Take a time and read this one. And 7 seconds for pairing, and 5 seconds for turned off, and 5 seconds for turned on. They have blue light on pairing with voice command. I don't know, Siri, Alexa, or Google. I don't know, maybe some kind of virtual assistants. Okay, in case I'm using 3.5mm headphone jack, I found to that converter and converter to your analog 3.5mm headphone jack. So simple. You don't even buy the expensive lightning headphone or something like that. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more contents. And that's been it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.